guys, this is Michael WX123 here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Nike Mercurial Vapor 11 in the new Neymar colorway. I think it's called Puro Fenomeno. I think it's called Puro Fenomeno in Portuguese. Puro. I'm just saying it wrong already. Pero I think it's Puro Fenomeno. So yeah, let's go with the unboxing.
Locked on to my attention. Hold back, there's no shelter. Let go of your pretension. We can't stop cause we're burning up. We can't help rushing in, let's take it.